Yeah, what no, what? Okay. So what will you? So yellow and red.
Mix orange.
Okay. Very good. Wow, very good. Red. Okay, you mix blue. What color is this?
Blue and red.
Okay.
Mix purple. Brown.
Because we put a lot of red in the blue. Okay. Mm.
Mix purple.
What color? Purple. Okay, you put here. You put more. Put some purple and then put on the paper. Ano careful? Mm. Here. Be careful. Okay, wash that one. So,
Mix light green.
or yellow green. Mix properly. Mm. That is yellow green. Mm. Put here. There. Okay.
Gray.
Now, black and white become gray.
Maybe you put too much black.
Okay, I add white. Mm. Mm. What color is that?
Gray.
Very good. You put it there. No, on the other side because there's a green here. You put here.
Oh.
No, it's okay. You put here. More. Okay, wash it now.
And then I want more.
This one.
Red.
Red and white.
Mix green. Light red. Maybe you put too much red.
So I'll add white. No.
Pink. And then I want more.
You want more? Wait. Okay.